Hey guys, Gavin here from UltimateReloader.com. In this video, we're going to continue our series on the Hornady lock and load rifle bullet feed system by taking a look at the 30 cal conversion kit. What I've got here is a fully operational 22 cal reloading setup with the 22 cal Hornady lock and load rifle bullet feed system. Well, we can also get this 30 cal conversion kit, which enables us to load 30 cal rounds like 30-06 or 308. Let's take a look at how this kit is installed so that we can load 30. So before we get started, here's an overview of what's included in the 30 cal conversion kit. We've got the bullet guide plate with the drop tube clamp and the height adjustment assembly. We've got the bullet feed wheel for 30 cal. We've got the bullet feed die assembly with an extra pivot block for different lengths of bullets. And then we've got the drop tube assembly with integral micro switch. That's going to control when the bullet feed wheel is turned on and off to feed more bullets on demand. This is almost everything we're going to need. We also need an extra lock and load bushing for the bullet feed die. The first thing I'm going to do is to remove the drop tube assembly. So I'm going to start by loosening the thumb screw up in the feed bowl. I'm going to pull the spring through, remove the cable assembly, and then it's just going to lift straight out of the die. Next, we can very easily remove the bullet feed die by just rotating 1/8 of a turn and then setting that aside. All right, so I've taken the feed bowl off for clarity here. The procedure for changing out the feed bowl components is really straightforward. First, we're going to take this thumb screw, lift out the bullet guide plate for 22. Then we're going to loosen these two thumb screws, remove the wiper springs. Now, here's a little tip. These are the bolts that I had securing the bowl to the stand. We can actually screw these right in here into the bullet feed wheel, and we can use these to lift that out. Makes it a little bit easier. You can grab the rim, that works as well, but this I find to be just a little bit easier. Notice this is geared on the inside here, so all we need to do is lower this into place, and we can feel those gear teeth engage. That's going to be just fine. Now we take our 30 cal guide plate, make sure that the thumb screw is loosened, find the indexing notch there, tighten that down. We're going to replace the wiper springs. There's good instructions that come with the unit that give precise details with regard to how to install and adjust those wiper springs. There we go. We're ready to put the feed bowl back onto the press. All right, the next step is to install the bullet feed die. So I'm just going to back off on the adjustment ring here. Thread on bushing. I'll clamp these together slightly. You can then install the die into the press. Next, we're going to work on the drop tube. Okay, this is just going to be the reverse of the removal. We're going to insert the spring up into the clamp in the feed bowl. Get that tightened down a little bit. We're going to install the plug that connects all of the wiring for the shutoff. Plug this back into the die, and then I'm going to back off on my bowl. I have it pivoting on one bolt. That's how I like to install this guy, so that the spring runs directly down. We can fine tune that for a perfect bullet drop. Well, there you go. We've installed the 30 cal conversion kit on this Hornady lock and load rifle bullet feed system. And in the next video, we're going to take a look at getting set up for full progressive loading of 308 Winchester ammunition using this setup. Be sure to stay tuned. And as always, you can get the full story on UltimateReloader.com. Thanks.